Okay, we're going to do a couple of problems together from, this is Vertex form. So it was 3.5 day 2 Vertex form worksheet. Sometimes these can be a little bit of a struggle. Number 3 has an A of 1, makes things easier. Okay, leave a space here. This is where we complete the square. We're making our x minus h. I'm going to divide by 2. I'm going to square it. I'm going to go plus 4. If you add 4 to the right side of an equation, you got to add 4 to the left side. Subtract this guy over. Vertex 2, negative 2. These ones are harder. Bring the 187 over. Y plus 187 equals, I'm going to factor this negative 3 out. That's going to be the A. Remember, y equals A times x minus h squared plus k. I factor out negative 3. I have x squared minus 16x, leave a space. That's where we complete the square. Now, when I divide by 2 and square it, divide by 2, negative 8, square it, plus 64. I did not add 64. I did negative 3 here, negative 3 here. Negative 3 times 64 is negative 192. I really did minus 192 on the right side. You have to respect the negative 3. This is y minus 5. Add 5, add 5. Y equals negative 3 times x minus 8 squared plus 5. The vertex is at 8, 5. It opens down. The axis of symmetry is x equals 8. We know a bunch about the problem. Number 5, very similar. Move the 12. Y plus 12 equals, factor out the negative 2. X squared plus 6x, leave a blank. Negative 2 is out front. That's a 2. X, divide by 2, square it, plus 9. What did we really do? Negative 2 here, negative 2 here, negative 2 there. Minus 18. Y minus 6. Add 6, add 6. Y equals negative 2 times x plus 3 squared plus 6. The vertex is at negative 3, 6. It opens down. We have a bunch of information that we have. Okay. If you're getting the hang of it and you are in this video because you were struggling, I would suggest hitting pause and trying this one on your own. Minus 18, minus 18. Y minus 18 equals, factor out the 3. Leave a blank space. 3 is out front. I already know this is going to open up and it's going to be narrower. Divide by 2. I get a 3 there, square it, I get plus 9. What did I actually add to the right side? Times 3, times 3, times 3, plus 27. Y plus 9, subtract this over. Y equals 3 times x plus 3 squared minus 9. Vertex, negative 3, negative 9. On the back, we're going to put these into vertex form. We need to find A and then write in vertex form. Y equals A times x minus h squared plus k. This is an h and a k. This is an x and a y. 5 equals A times x minus 2 squared minus 3. Add 3, add 3. 8 equals A times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Divide by 4. A is 2. Answer, y equals 2 times x minus 2 squared minus 3. You're finding the value of A and then coupling it with the vertex. Go from there. I'm not doing this one. H, K, X, Y. You can do it. Graph. I think this is a hard one because the value of A is negative. I would move the 10 over. And I'd have y plus 10 equals, now I factor out a negative. And then I have divide by 2, square it, plus 9. But I have to remember, times a negative, That's really minus 9, and I get y plus 1. Bring that back, y equals negative x plus 3 squared minus 1. Vertex, negative 3, negative 1. Negative 3, negative 1. And I know I'm opening down. This has no real roots. I have a y-intercept of negative 10, which is way down here. Symmetry is 3 away and 3 away. But I should probably get another point. I could put a negative 1 in there. Again, I got the y-intercept from here, right? From up there. So I can put a negative 1 in there. Y equals negative 1 plus 3 squared minus 1. I actually think it's easier to plug into these ones too. And I get negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So I got negative 1, negative 5. Symmetry, 2 away from the axis of symmetry. 2 away. Looks like a parabola to me. A good looking parabola. All right, finish that homework. You're on the right track.